Hello, my wonderful people. I greet you all. Do you know you can directly copy a text from a photo or an image on an Android phone without using a third-party app? Yes, it is very possible and easy, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So let's get straight to it. Let's go to my gallery. Then let's click on any of the photo that has text on it. Let's click the first one. Okay. Now let's click on this three dotted line at the bottom right of the phone. Yeah, now it has brought up so many options. So let's click on this recognize text. You see, very fast. It has recognized all the text on the image. So from here, you can simply click copy here at the bottom left of the phone to copy all the text. So I have copied all the text. So you can now paste it anywhere you want to paste it. Okay. For example, let me paste it on my notes. Let's go to my notes. Okay, you see, I have it here right here now on my notes. Okay, but if you don't want to copy all the text, maybe you want to copy some of the text. Okay, so instead of clicking on this copy and copy all the text, you can just highlight some of the text and copy them by clicking and holding for a while, then drag the handle to the extent that you want to copy. Okay, then click copy. You see, I've copied some of the text right now. Then you can now paste it anywhere you want to paste it. Okay, so friends, this is how to copy text from a photo. Okay, and for those of you that maybe your phone does not have the option of copying text from my photo, do not worry, I got you covered. Okay, I'm going to make another video showing you how to copy a text from a photo using third-party apps like Google Lens and Text Scanner. Okay, so make sure you stick around, subscribe to my channel, like the video, and click the notification button so that you will be among the first people that will see whenever I drop a new video. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye for now.